All right, I am going to be testing the clutch. So what I've got two videos here that combined. One is very first start to move the car back and forth, first and reverse, and you can tell reverse grinds it a little bit. First goes in a little rough, but it goes in. And I can go back and forth a little bit, and then I go in and adjust the clutch. And start again, and then go back and forth again, and it worked out great. So I'll show you here real quick what I did to adjust the clutch. So initially I had everything installed brand new, and then I didn't do any adjustments. And now that I've got the engine running, and now I can get the clutch in and move the car, I'll show you what I did to get that to work. All right, I'm gonna go underneath the car and show you what's going on. So like I said, I already did it. I did not take a video of me actually doing it, but I'll go through the process of what I did to adjust the clutch. All right, so here we've got, of course, our boot and our clutch, and then here's our push rod here, and then our spring, okay? So what you want to do is you want to take your spring off first, and I detach it right here between the spring and the extension rod. You can pull that apart, unhook it, and then from there, this nut right here, you loosen that and pull that back a little bit. What it does is it loosens this rod. And this rod here screws in and out of this here, and you want to extend this part, or bring it in, whatever you want to do. So you want to make sure that it's nice and sturdy. I unscrewed this with my fingers until I couldn't turn it with my fingers at all whatsoever. And you have to get a wrench to turn it first. Of course, mines were built brand new. I could easily turn it with my fingers. So if yours is old, rusty, and kind of a pain in the ass to use, you'll have to use pliers to get turned. You've got this here is a square pattern here, so you can get some pliers or a small open-end wrench in there and get that to turn. And then it'll push on the clutch here. And they keep adjusting it. I did so that it doesn't move at all whatsoever, so there's no play in it. Long time ago, I was adjusting the clutch one time and I got too loose and it popped off. So you don't want it too loose. I mean, some people like it tight, some people like a little loose. It depends on your preference and how you drive. So that's how we did it. And I went back and forth. I tightened it, loosened it, pushed the clutch in, kind of got in and out of the car to get a good feeling of it. And then threw it in reverse and first. If you go back and forth and you're quick enough without any grinding and the gauge is good, then you should be good to go. And then, put your spring back on, tighten this nut back up again, and that's it.